Hello everybody and welcome to new English lesson. I hope you are all fine. And in this video we will improve our English pronunciation. I hope it will be helpful for you, and I recommend you to repeat after me all these sentences. Okay, let's get started. Welcome. خوش آمدید. من این را در یاد دارم. I remember it. I remember it. I understand you. من تو رو میفهمم. I understand you. من این خیلی فکر میکنم. I think so. I think so. من این را بسیار خوب میفهمم. I know it very well. I know it very well. I know it very well. تو مرا کمک میکنی. You help me. You help me. You help me. من در روسیه زندگی میکنم. I live in Russia. I live in Russia. I live in Russia. من در این شهر زندگی میکنم. I live in this city. I live in this city. من در آنجا کار میکنم. I work there. I work there. آنها مرا کمک میکنند. They help me. They help me. ما شما را میفهمیم. We understand you. We understand you. من یک فکر دارم. I have an idea. I have an idea. من یک برادر دارم. I have a brother. I have a brother. آنها به مکتب می روند. They go to school. They go to school. شما انگلیسی را بسیار خوب صحبت میکنید. You speak English very well. You speak English very well. من ماشین دارم. I have a car. I have a car. ما در اینجا زندگی میکنیم. We live here. We live here. میتوانم کمکتان کنم. میتوانم کمکتان کنم. Can I help you? Can I help you? آفرین. Good job. Good job. من چیکار کنم؟ What shall I do? What shall I do? Why not? چرا که نه؟ Why not? تمام کردید؟ Have you finished? Have you finished? اینقدر احساساتی مباش. Don't be so emotional. Don't be so emotional. مشکلی تو چیست؟ What is your trouble? What is your trouble? تو خوب خواهی شد. You will be fine. You will be fine. میتوانم از تو یک خواهش کنم. Can I ask you a favor? Can I ask you a favor? پیشنهاد تو چیست؟ What is your suggestion? What is your suggestion? من دسترس نیستم. I'm not available. I am not available. این مهم نیست. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. تو دروغ گفته ایستاده‌ای. You are lying. You are lying. من وقت ندارم. I don't have time. I don't have time. I don't have time. خب دوستان، این بود درسی اولین ما. تا درسی دیگر موفق سربلند باشید.